In this question, what the question say? First of all, we have to understand, then we have to find the value of x, y, and z. What the question say that? First of all, we have to understand it. In the given figure, look at the figure. AB parallel to CD. It means that these AB lines are parallel to CD, these lines. These AB lines are parallel to these CD lines. Indicate here. And next part what say the find the value of x, y, z means that we have to find the value of x, y, and z, and the value of angle AEF and the value of angle EGD. Whatever you have to DGE, whatever you have to say that is 25 degree. These two angles are already given, and in with the help of these two angles values of these two angles, we have to find out the entire value of the x, y, and z. Okay, now we have to find the value of now what the question say. We have to write here. First of all, we have to write here what was given in question. AB parallel to CD. AB parallel to CD. First of all, we know that for AB parallel to CD, okay, if AB parallel to CD, then there was a two transversal line are formed. One is EF and another is EG. If these two lines are parallel to each other, and another one is these two lines are transversal lines, okay, we have to write here these are these AB parallel to CD, and EF EF as EF and EZ is transversal line, and another one we have to see here, EFG is a triangle. These form triangle, equilateral triangle form, okay. First of all, we have to know that the value of another one is the value of angle A E AEF equal to 75 degree, and the value of angle EZD DGE DGE is 125 degree, and another one is the value of angle EFG EFG is y degree, and the value of angle CFE is x degree. You have to write here 125 x y z. Okay, z. Another one is z, and we have to say that A B C D E F G. It means that F E G F E G equal to z degree. This was given already in question. Now to find the value values of x, y, and z. Here solution here solution. Since AB parallel to CD, since AB parallel to CD, then if is a transversal line, then and EF is a transversal line. If AV is a parallel to CD, then I will repeat here, EF is a transversal line. Then 75 equal to Y. Then angle AEF, angle AEF equal to Y, where EFG equal to 75 degree, because vertically opposite angle, with the help of vertically opposite angle, the value of y is 75 degree. We have to write here again 75 degree, these so okay, 75 degree, it means sorry, EFG equal to, another thing is right here, EFG equal to y. Okay, so here y equal to 75 degree. Okay, we have to write here 75 degree. Now these CD is a straight line. CD is also a straight line. So we have to know the value of E angle AGF. Okay friends, now since CD is a straight line, a straight line, and and easy is a linear pair. Easy is a linear pair. So we know that the sum of all the angles on a straight line is 180 degree. So angle EGD, DZE, 125 we have to write here. Angle DZE plus angle EGF, angle EGF equal to 180 degree, because there was a linear pair. Okay, we have to write here also. So the value of angle DZ is 125 degree, plus the value of these angle are, we have to find out. The value of angle EZF equal to 180 minus 125 degree. So I have to subtract it to got the value of angle, these angles. Okay, 10 minus 5 5, and 8 minus 2 6, 65. We have to add it, 5 5 10, 6 to 8, 6 minutes 4 minutes 1 minute. 10 minus 5 5, 7 minus 2 5, sorry 55 here. we have to add 5, 5, 10, 1, 5 to 6, wait a minute, 5 to 7, 1, 8. We have to got here. The value of angle EGF is 55 degree. 55 degree. Now we have to find the value of Z, because AEG is also a triangle. The sum of the value of triangle is 180 degree. There was a two values already given, another value we have to find out. Now, since EFG EFG is a triangle, and we know that the sum of all the angles on triangle is 180 degree. So here we have to write here chat means angle F A G plus Y, angle E F G plus 55 means that angle E G F equal to 180 degree. So we have to write here F E Z F E G Z plus E F G E F G means Y, and another one is this angle. The value of this angle are already given, 55 degree. We have to not we are not want to write here the value of y we have to find here, so we have to directly write here the value of y. Okay, the value of y is 75 degree, because we have to find here, because the angles EFG is equal to y, and we have to find the value of y 75 degree. That's why we have to write here 75 degree to make easily way to solve the question. Okay, now z equal to, we have to sum up these two plus and goes uh, another side. You have changed the sign. 180 minus 5 5 10 7 5 12 113 5 5 10 1 hand 7 6 7 5 बढ़ देगा 130 degree. Now here we have to subtract it and we have to get the answer 0 8 minus 3 5 is, it means that the value of z is 50 degree. The value of z is 50 degree, and now we have to find the value of x. one value we have to find out. Okay, now we have to write here. Okay, since again CD is a straight line, and EF is, sorry, transversal, not sorry, linear pair, linear pair. So we have to write here angle angle x. What was angle x? C E F means we have to write here angle CEF plus angle CEF plus what was y? Angle EFG equal to 180 degree, because we know that the sum of all the angles on a straight line is 180 degree. That was written here. So you use that statement here. Now the value of CEF is x degree, okay, and the value of EFC means y degree means 75 degree is 180 degree now. Okay, now we have to find the value of x is what? 180 minus 75 is equal to what was the coming answer? 10 minus 5 5, and here was 770, 105 degree. The value of x is 105 degree. It means that we have to find all the value of x, y and z. X is 105 degree and y is 75 degree, and z is 50 degree. Okay, so we have to write here hence hence the value the value of x, y and z is 105 degree and y is 75 degree, and z is 50 degree respectively. It means that in this question we have to use vertically opposite angle. This is not written here, because you know that the value of y value of y is already given here. Okay, hence we have to use the properties of angles. First use we have to vertically opposite angle, then we have to use then we have to use linear pair, uh, then we have to use another criteria, triangular formula. Three things we have to use here to got the value of x, y and z. Thank you. You meet next question in next way. Thank you.